Hello, my name is Kaushal Kedari. I'm an ethical hacker certified by IIM Bangalore and many two companies.
He is very much interested in doing some new innovative ideas and with the new things. So one day he has selected as a ethical hacking. He wanted to do the course. In that he has asked me to start with. Then first I was telling him conditions that you should use it only ethical way. It should not be any unethical way of doing hacking.
I used to do coding right from my 9th grade. That is, I was 15 years old. So from there I was doing a bit research about it. Then I came across this field called ethical hacking. So there I got to know about Manan Shah. Manan Shah is the top first ranked ethical hacker of India. Then I started doing freelancing for many companies, and there I started earning. From there I used to protect government websites, the Indian national government websites, like I protected Uttar Pradesh website, Nagaland state government websites, and two of the Kerala government websites, and the birth and death registration and post community of India, the National Post Community of India, those websites, and even I have protected.
In our family, nobody is there in the software field as well as in ethical hacking field. He himself has taken the initiative and interest to know the things through YouTube. During the lockdown period, he has utilized the time to get his knowledge updated.
Apart from cyber security, I'm a state chess player. I have achieved many trophies in state level. I am a debate champion. In 2019, I won the state debate competition, which was held in Karnataka. And apart from that, I do in IoT fields, IoT and technical fields. I build drones and many other technical stuffs, learning from YouTube, applying my own brain, making some unique things which are different from others.
In the childhood onwards, he is very much active, and at the same time he is very much rigid. What he wants to do means do.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದ್ದಾಗಿಂದ ರೀ ಅವ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, ತಂದಿದ್ದು ಸಾಮಾನು ಬಿಚ್ಚೋದು, ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಡ್ರೈವರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಂಥೆಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದ್ದಾಗಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಆದರೂ ಅವ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಾನ ರೀ.
Kaushal has always been innovative from childhood. Every day he used to do some experiments. He used to try, every time try and again fail. Again he used to try and achieve it, and till it works he wouldn't leave that thing. Like that he has achieved many things, and till now he has made parents and everyone proud in the home.
Thank you, Ty.